or the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, plus a 7200 mAh large battery. Honor, what are you planning? This is the Honor 4 White Pro in my hand, a light flagship. It actually has these configurations. Let's unbox it together. Hey, I really like unboxing. There's an inexplicable feeling of stress relief when unboxing.
Wow. The Honor box, Honor 40 Pro. This is the phone itself. We'll set it aside for now and take a look at the included accessories. SIM eject tool. Inside there should be a phone case. Underneath the phone case are the charger and data cable. This time, let me show you the charger. It's a 90-watt charger. Now, let's peel off the film together. Be a film peeling enthusiast. Wow, I must say, the texture and craftsmanship of this phone are really quite good. Let me zoom in for you. The feel of this frame is amazing.
Let's quickly check out the appearance. This is how it looks, isn't it cool? Plus, it truly doesn't attract fingerprints.
Then, looking at the side, there are the volume and power buttons, and at the top, there should be an infrared, then a microphone input and a speaker. Oh, this speaker is at the very top. Then below the speaker is on the right side. In the middle is the charging port, and there's also a card slot and a microphone hole. Wow! You have to admit, the phone's texture is really good. At the same time, this phone has a rounded corner design, improving both its grip and overall appearance. This time, the arrangement of the rear cameras, Honor has changed the style, but the more you look at it, the better it looks. Very aesthetically pleasing. Okay, we are now powered on. You can see the image ratio is quite well done. And then there's the Honor Magic OS 9 system configuration. We are entering the home screen. Oh, wow. The screen's visual quality is incredibly refined. Honor has also done an excellent job in the eye protection aspect. It not only supports 90-watt wired charging, but also 50-watt wireless charging. Can you handle that?
Ding dong!
Alright, that concludes the unboxing process for this episode. We'll have a more comprehensive review next time. If you have anything you want to discuss, feel free to do so on the right. See you.